So, good morning. How are you feeling today?
Feeling amazing. Thank you so much.
How was the environment?
Oh my God, it was so brilliant. It was so energetic. Like, I just felt that, I'm so proud to just be a part of this gathering. So,
Yeah.
thank you.
Okay, so I will ask a few questions. So, what are the next tech trends which you feel scary of?
I feel scared. See, the thing is, I honestly don't feel very scared of the tech because I've always seen in my experience that it has always enabled us. So, for example, I think, and we were just talking about it, how AI is already, enabling our workforces. And I just talked about how the micro segmentation, the automation,
Yeah.
hyper personalization that AI is helping us with. So, I'm extremely excited about that. I'm also excited about, what we can do with Web3. Very keenly following, the developments in the blockchain segment because we are bringing all of that into sustainability. So yeah, I think I'm extremely excited about all of this.
And don't you think the way data are shared across the world uh, that can be a scary thing for the world?
See, absolutely, data privacy is very it is one, like, it's extremely crucial in today's time. The whole there is a lot of chatter, a lot of conversation around the data privacy thing, and we know that in past we haven't done really well around data privacy.
Yeah.
So yes, that bit is a bit scary, and how I genuinely don't want the data to be misused. No one does, but then there are lots of forces at play, and this really scary part is how it's shaping our geopolitical world. The whole cultural shifts that are happening simply because that some data is being used in a particular way. But I do hope that with a lot of the new policy that are coming in fact, like in India, something like the DPDD is coming. So I'm really hopeful that that the right policies will actually channelize the data in the right direction as well.
Okay. So, one advice which you want to give to the women entrepreneurs who are watching this video?
One advice would be make your younger self proud. Like, whenever I think, or whenever I'm in a phase where obviously with entrepreneurship a lot of challenges come, and we face days where we just want to give up. I just remember my younger self and what I wanted out of myself. One, I see that I am already living the dream. I'm already living the life that I wanted to. I've created that, and the younger self knew it was so curious, and it knew the potential, and it just wanted to explore. And that just fills me with a lot more confidence, a new vigor to achieve more. So just make your 10-year-old or 18-year-old self proud. I think you have it in you.
So, thank you for your time and wish you all the best.
Thank you so much.